In this tutorial, I am going into a little more detail about searching view. This is where I review the video content recorded on the camera. In this case, you see the camera set up on front door, and I have been recording video since about 8 o'clock this morning and still recoding, so there is activity happening here in this time bar. And you can select the camera you are reviewing by this drop down, and you can filter what specific types of video clip to show here. It defaulted to show all object, but I can say, for example, show only people, and you see that the number of results that are shown has been reduced from a total of 8. And I can also show rules here. I can filter, for example, I had a rule set up to show people coming to the door. So I might just go through and check to see what happened throughout the course of the day. So I can start at the top, go here and click the play button to see the video. There are some controls here that I can skip back 2 seconds or forward 2 seconds or frame forward, frame backwards. If I hold it down, it will repeat and go as fast as it can. You notice there is a little blue mark there, and that represent where the object was detected in a timeline. So if it was a long click and I want to skip where the object is detected, I can click here. There is actually a keyboard for shortcut, and if I hit the enter key, then it will pop back to that beginning point. There are other keyboard shortcuts that are displayed in controls menu. For example, you can jump to previous and next event, which refers to those blue marks in case you have more than one object in motion in a given clip. So the way I would use this is to hit the spacebar, and I would hit the down arrow key, and I would just go through the entire day to see what is going on. Now earlier I had mentioned that I had set up a rule for people who would come to front door, and there was nothing today, but there might have been something from yesterday, so if I want to go there, I can click on this arrow key, or I can jump to a day by clicking here. Now in this case, I had a rule set up that rather than clicking on through these results as a full day yesterday, I want to see if someone came up to my door. I can scroll down to a rule I create for people coming to my door. Next, if you right-click on screen, you can see that there is a large and small setting, and this means I can display my video in a larger size, and for best results you are going to want to also save the videos at a higher resolution with a larger screen size. In order to do that, I go to the monitor view, right-click on a camera, edit camera, and in the settings screen, you will see that there is an option to scale video to a resolution. The default is QVGA, which is 320 by 240, but you can set this to VGA, which is 640 by 480. It is important to note that this only changes the resolution that the video is saved at, and not necessarily change the video that your camera stream at. So in order to make sure that the camera is sending the same video resolution that is being recorded, click on back button. Here you can see that the device address has a website that you can get to your configuration website of your camera. For more information to advanced setup on camera, please watch advanced camera setup tutorial. Thank you.